So what are the FSMO roles and how can you get them using PowerShell? That is the question we're answering in this episode. In the Windows domain environments, it is a multi-master environment. That means there's multiple domain controllers, which is a very good practice to have. But there are certain functionalities that cannot be shared, and that's where FSMO comes into play, the flexible single master operator roles. So let's take a look at what these different FSMO roles actually are. The PDC emulator handles time synchronization, password changes, account lockouts, and support for legacy protocols. The RID master manages the RID pools that are allocated to each one of our different domain controllers. So if you create a user account on this domain controller and one on this domain controller, they don't end up with the same security identifier. The infrastructure master role updates cross-domain object references. So what that means is if you're in a forest with multiple domains and someone in domain A references an object in domain B, it's going to work. The domain naming master role is going to manage the addition and removal of different domains within your forest. And the schema master simply keeps track of the actual architecture, the actual layout, the schema of Active Directory. So let's take a look at how we could use PowerShell to determine which one of our different domain controllers is holding this role. Now, I'm in a test environment. There's only one domain controller, so yes, I know it is not a good practice to keep all these roles on a single domain controller. But like I said, this is a test environment. Now, if you don't have the Active Directory module available to you, you can run NETDOM query FSMO. And when we run this, it will recover all 5 of the FSMO roles and tell you which one of your domain controllers is currently hosting those roles. Now with the Active Directory commandlets, you're going to find these roles in both getForest and also in get-AD-domain. But you will have to go through the output of each one of these commands to discover which one is hosting your different FSMO roles. So to make life a little bit easier, I created this quick little command. It's called Get-FSMORoleHolders. And what it will do is it's going to execute each one of those commands and then just return back that information as an object. If you do with NetDOM, it comes back as a string, so you can't parse out that data very easily. This will make it easier on you. So let's go ahead and put this command into memory and execute it. And there you have it, our 5 FSMO roles in object format. Thank you all for watching. Now, I'm only going to be posting one episode this week because I'm about to take a little trip. See, PowerShell is not my only passion. I also have one for photography, and I've had a YouTube channel dedicated to that for years. So if you guys are interested, check out that channel. Actually, I'm heading up north to do a little bit of wildlife photography for a couple of days. Going to put the tent on top of the Jeep and enjoy a little bit of wilderness time. Y'all take care, and I'll see you in the next episode.
Did it.